In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DXtrade to TradingView. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the TradingView features within DXtrade. About a year ago, this was introduced, so you are able to use TradingView within DXtrade. You have all of the advanced charting features from TradingView available directly on DXtrade. So the most common integration is, like I said, incorporating TradingView's charting capabilities directly into the DXtrade platform. So this has been in the beta period. Depending on the time that you are watching this video, it might be officially introduced. So what you can do is choose Tools at the top. So select Tools, and you should see TradingView. If you don't see TradingView, it's either because you aren't in the beta program, or you might have to visit a specific URL. So as you can see, this one was showcased as a beta. So what you have to do is add $TradingView/ or equals through. So make sure that you enter a custom URL if needed. But if you go into Tools and you see TradingView, then you have access to the features. When you choose TradingView from there, a new window will open like this, and you will have access to all of the TradingView features as the toolbar over here on the left. So all that you have to do is choose Tools, select TradingView, and immediately upon doing this, you can access all of the features integrated directly into the service here for DXtrade. Like I said, it may be found within the Tools section of the DXtrade platform, and in some cases, you might have to contact your broker or see if there are any sort of beta rollouts still ongoing. So you will be able to use all of these features to set up alerts and trade with ease on DXtrade. I apologize for not giving you detailed instructions on how to use these tools in this video. I just wanted to show how you could access it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect DXtrade to TradingView. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.